COBBIZ.
Hello everyone, my name is Divya Dikshit and you're watching COBBIZ. Today in this video we are going to tell you about what is a state FSSAI license. In case if you need information regarding the FSSAI license, then let me tell you a video has already made regarding the topic and the link you can get easily in the description given below. What is a state FSSAI license? A small and medium-sized manufacturer, retailer, distributors and marketers dealing in food-related business has to obtain a state FSSAI license. See, a state FSSAI license, it's mandatory if you are dealing in food-related business, and the state government is responsible for issuing a state FSSAI license to all the people who are dealing in food-related business. So, if you are going for a state FSSAI license, there are certain conditions that you must follow. This license applies to all the food unit having an annual turnover of Rs 12 lakh to 24 lakh trade within India. Second, the food business operators should operate their business in one state only to obtain the license. Third, the validity of the state FSSAI license is for 5 years. Importance of state FSSAI license. In case the food operators fail to obtain a FSSAI license, fall under the proceeding of legal offence and shall be penalized for his ignorance. FSSAI license is one-time expense valid to 1 to 5 years depending upon the requirement of business. A state license has to be obtained by every individual who is involved in food operation activities like manufacturing, retailing, transportation, or in any way dealing with the food products. Issue of license or registration certificate is governed and regulated by the provision of Food Safety and Standard Regulation 2011, and FSSAI license or registration requirement varies as per the type and nature of the food business. Now, we will go through the benefits of having a state FSSAI license. Creating awareness and brand recognition among consumer and public at large. FSSAI logo help in the process of customer building. Food operators having a FSSAI license enjoys the advantages over their competitors dealing in the same market. FSSAI license ensure the health and safety of the food. FSSAI license ensure the business expansion and diversification soon. As a food operators, we make our mind for taking the state FSSAI license for our business, but there are certain eligibility that needs to be followed for obtaining a state FSSAI license. Dairy unit processing more than 5,000 liters of milk daily or more than 2,500 metric ton of milk solid annually. Units engaged in the activity to process or produce vegetable oil of capacity exceeding a minimum of 2 metric daily. Slaughtering units. Food business engaged in the activity of meat processing capacity exceeding 500 kg daily or 150 metric ton annually. The food processing unit engaged in wholesale having a turnover exceeding Rs 30 crore. Food business dealing in retail or distribution having a turnover exceeding Rs 20 crore. Unit engaged in processing plant including relabors, repackers and producing unit up to minimum 2 metric per day. So, we have gone through the eligibility criteria that is needed if you are obtaining a state FSSAI license. Now, we will tell you about the various documents that you require for obtaining a state FSSAI license. Form duly completed and signed, blueprint or map layout of the location where the business is situated, name and contract details of the directors, list of all the equipment and machinery installed and operating in the unit, list of food category to be manufactured, ID proof and address proof of proprietor issued by the government, passport size photograph, complete detail of the food to be manufactured, letter of the authorization including the name and address of the responsible person, address proof of the premise such as electricity bill or registry in case of owned premise. In the case of premise is rented or hired, rent agreement and NOC from the landlord. License copy and no objection certificate from the manufacturer. And at last, certificate of plan relating to the food safety management system. बस closing कर रहे हैं. So this was enough today. We'll connect you soon with a new informative video. Till then, take care and bye.